My name's John Potter. I'm the Business Development Manager for Signify. I look after our LED and connected products. Very happy to be here at LuxLive this year, and we're here mainly talking about the future of the industry. Connectivity is probably going to be one of the biggest disruptors to our industry since leadification back in 2000, 2002. And we want to make sure that the industry is ready for that. We want to show that the luminaire can be the backbone of the infrastructure for the IoT world as we move forward. We're talking about a lot of things today, including our SR interface and the SR standard, which is something that we've been pushing for a few years through DIIA. As of November, that has actually been ratified and the new standard has gone through. What this basically means is we've agreed that a Dali driver will now be able to digitize the information in a standard format, and it will be an intraluminaire standard. So there'll be digital communication inside the luminaire between the driver and some form of node or sensor, and then from the sensor the information collected, such as energy metering, diagnostic information, can all then be moved and passed up to the cloud, and people can do with that data as they please. The SR standard is a sensor-ready platform. What we intend is that this is an open platform that we have shared via DIIA. That means that all our competitors can now use that standard. They can all make products that do the same job. It's an open platform, and the reason that we want it to be open is that we think that the industry will adopt the standard much quicker when it becomes an open platform and not a proprietary system. So the benefit of putting SR sensor ready into a luminaire is that for an end user, they gain from the things like energy saving and a quicker and lower cost installation, because there's no need to pull through communication cables such as Dali. You don't need to do any chase outs in the wall for drop downs for switches. Everything becomes wireless. Thus, it creates a much quicker installation, a lower cost installation, and for the OEM or for the manufacturer, there is fewer components needed inside the luminaire, and therefore it's a lower cost, it's an open protocol, so you are not stuck to one manufacturer, and again, it's a quicker manufacturing process for the luminaire manufacturer. Another technology that we'll be talking about here at the show is VLC, which is visual light communication. Within Philips, that's known as Yellow Dot. That's now been adopted by over 40 OEM manufacturers throughout Europe. We actually have an installed base of around about over 3 million square feet of retail space has now adopted indoor tracking. So that's actually proving to us that there is market adoption. It is something that people want, and there is a benefit there for people who have adopted this technology. It means that it's easier for their customers to wayfind around the store. It guides them to the products that the retailer wants them to be in front of. And what we find is, on average, we see an uplift in the shopping basket value of retailers who have installed this technology. Some of the major retailers who have adopted the technology are Carrefour for their supermarkets, Aswad out in Dubai, and more recently the Media Markt chain in Eindhoven have just refitted their store using Yellow Dot technology. So in terms of the wireless technology, we find that the biggest adopters, or the early adopters, are people in industrial applications, warehousing and things like that. Main reason is that it's a much quicker install, it's an easier install, less time spent on the ladder, and the data that comes from it in terms of the energy saving, space utilisation of the warehouse, and having people in the right place at the right time is one of the lead generators for people to adopt the technology. We're very excited about the wireless technology. I think the future of the industry is wireless. The benefits that it brings to both the manufacturer and the end user is incredible. It'll be the backbone of the IoT infrastructure for any smart building or any smart office for the future.